Hi, this is Rida and welcome back with another video WordPress tutorial. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a home page in your WordPress. So let's start. WordPress provided by default editor called beta editor, from where you can edit, customize, add, delete and everything. You don't need to plugin or download a plugin for this. So the WordPress now providing editor called beta editor. So I'm gonna tell you how it's useful and how you can customize with the help of this beta editor. So let's start. Let's have a look of your website. Go to visit site, and from here you can see the theme. The theme we installed in last video. If you don't see this video, check a link from description and have a look this video how to download and active install a theme in WordPress. So let's start. As you can see, there is this one is called a header, and this one is a footer. The header and footer is by default in every theme. Okay, as you can see, there is a one picture. This is called a cover picture, and there is some text. Okay, so let's go to the beta editor and let's see how to customize it. Okay, click on edit site and you will be on editor beta. Here you can see there is an editor beta. Okay, from here I'm gonna tell you how to create, customize and edit your website. From here you can see the header have a location, Gmail address, phone number, your login account and portal. Here is your name of your website, and here you see some menu: home, services, blog and content. Okay, so come here, you can see this is a cover photo. Okay, so as you can see there is a by default. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how to create this if the cover photo is not here. So remove this, save, go to your website and have a look how it's looking now. See, there is nothing. I delete this cover, so I'm gonna tell you how to add this. For example, there is only header and footer. Go to your editor, click here, click on plus. You see a plus sign over here. Click on plus and right here cover. As you can see the cover pair here, click on cover. Okay, from here you have to add a pic. Okay, so hold a minute and listen. If you don't have a pic and you don't know how to create pic, I'm gonna tell you a tip that is for free of cost. Okay, let's go to the Google and type pixel.com. Click enter. As you can see, we are on pixel.com. It's a website that provide you a free pic, free videos that are from free copyright. Okay, click according to your niche or type. For example, I'm going to create a website for website development or IT services or anything. Like for example, I provide the services for IT, for computer, from web development, for graphic designing. So I write here IT and click on enter. So you can see there is a lot of pic over here. Okay, so don't pick a too much large pic like that. Okay, pick a normal pic, for example like that. For example, I pick this one. Click on here and download. So as you can see, it's download. Go to your editor here, click on upload. As you can see the pic here, click on it, click on open, and okay, the pic over here. Okay, you can see the pic over here, and there is some setting Anything you upload, for example, a cover photo, a normal pic, any media, any text, these are all called blog. Okay, so as you can see the blog over here, if you want to do some changing, for example, fix background, enable it, and as you can see it's look like that. So let's save it and see how it's look now. Click on save, go here, refresh, and as you can see it's look like that now. Now let's go to your editor. Okay, from here like I want to enter a title, for example I want to write here. If you have no idea how to look and how to create and one thing enter in your home page, you can see other website. For example, go to your Chrome and type some according to your niche. For example, I put here IT websites and open anyone. For example, this one, and have a look how looks its home page. For example, in their home page they type here IT company website design. They type here some more information about their services. They add a picture over here, contact form over here, some more like this, some more text, pic. You can see one or more or two websites to take an idea or to have an idea. Go to your editor and type here, for example, I type here grow your business with us. Okay, as you can see the color of the text here. From here, go click on text, go here, as you can see the here text. I do it white and okay, select all, bold, and if you want to change a line here you can do by this, align text right like this, and if you want to center, align center from here. Okay, save and have a preview how it's look like. Refresh and see our text over here. Okay, go here if you want to add more, you want to write more thing, and you write from click on pick and you see a plus sign over here. Click on plus, click on paragraph, as you can see the paragraph blog over here, and write something. The services we provide, for example I write we provide, for example, web development service, graphic designing, social media, and SEO. Okay, so as you can see the color over here, you can change the color of this also. Click on this. Also download Grammarly, so it will be correct your pronunciations or your sentence. Okay, click on here, click on text, do it white. Also click here and you can pick according to your choice whatever color you want here. If you want to uh, if you want to do it here, click here and it will be here. Click on back as you can see. Okay, for example, you do this color red, you can give them a multiple color according to your choice like that and click on save. Don't forget to click on save and have a look how it's look now. As you can see the text over here, please choose a text that is readable. You can also change the text color, you can also change the text size from here. You can do it large, so it's gonna be large. Click on that text. If you want to change the if you want to change the size, you can change from here. Here you can change the font family, appearance, letter spacing, decoration, letter case, stroke case. For example, if you want to change the font family, go from here and you can change from here. Click on that. If you want to change the appearance, you can change from here. Go here. If you want to do extra light, don't forget to click on save. Okay, as you can see now, it's look like right now. See the picture is in background is fixed. If you click on pick and you do it like that and click on save, you can see it's look like that now. I hope you are now understand how to create and how to add blogs, text, a picture, a cover in your home page. This is the first part of the this homepage tutorial. See you in other part. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.